Hello everyone, this is Umar back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna share my strategy how you can leverage Black Friday to earn insane amount of backlinks on autopilot. So first things first, you got to have a good, really good offer that you want to promote to your audience. Secondly, you want to have a dedicated page for Black Friday on your website, right? Now, you will want to optimize this page for keywords around deals in your niche, right? Once you have done that, one secret sauce is to add internal link to your most important pages. It could be important pages for your e-commerce website, for SaaS product, for a service-based website that you have, or anything, right? Once you have done that, you will want to reach out to the bloggers, influencers, affiliates, or deals aggregator websites in your niche. And normally what I would do is basically reaching out to the dream 100 companies or people that already have my audience base, right? Since these guys are always looking for something that they can promote to their audience, and that audience relates to yours, and that's the biggest benefit, right? So you get the sales as well as backlinks. So speaking of that, I am offering 30% up to 30% discount on our link building campaigns for 10 clients, and it's totally first come first serve basis. And when I say 10 clients, I totally mean it, right? Lastly, I'm sorry about recording this video a bit late due to my traveling schedule. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.